How to make money on Temu affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy you can use to start making money with the Temu affiliate program. There are people out there using this exact method and earning thousands, sometimes even tens of thousands of dollars every month because Temu pays its affiliates really well. The best part? You don't need to invite any of your real-life friends or family members. This strategy works completely for free and uses Pinterest to drive results. I'll walk you through how it works and how to make the most of it. To begin, head over to either the Temu app or their official website. If you're using the app, tap on the bottom menu where it says You or something similar, and then select the affiliate option that says Click for Cash. But honestly, using the website is much easier. Just go to temu.com, scroll all the way down, and under Company Info, click on Affiliate and Influencer, or anything related to commissions. Now here's where it gets exciting. As an affiliate, Temu pays you between 5 to 20% commission on any orders made within 30 days after someone clicks your link. But what really makes this strategy powerful is the €2 or $2 reward you get just for someone downloading the app using your link, even if they don't make a purchase. Think about it. If 1,000 people download the app through your link in a month, that's already €2,000, even before any actual sales. That bonus alone makes this opportunity incredibly valuable. Once you're inside the affiliate dashboard, you'll want to click on Pick Items. This allows you to select specific products to promote, and Temu will generate personalized affiliate links for those items. These are the links you'll be sharing on Pinterest. Make sure you stay until the end of this video so you don't miss any of the crucial steps. I'm going to show you exactly how to post these links on Pinterest in a way that attracts clicks and downloads. No experience required. Let's keep going so you can start earning as soon as today. Now, the key to promoting products from Temu on Pinterest is creating aesthetically pleasing pins that catch people's attention. Pinterest is all about visuals, so the more appealing and eye-catching your pin, the better your chances are of getting clicks. For example, if you're promoting a product like a rug, this type of item would fit perfectly with Pinterest's aesthetic style. I highly recommend focusing on products that women would be most likely to purchase, as about 75 to 80% of Pinterest users are female. So steer clear of categories like automotive or men's products, and instead look for items that cater to women's interests. For instance, products like notebooks, office supplies, and home decor tend to perform really well. Let's say you find a product on Temu. You'll earn a small commission, around 91 cents per sale. But don't forget, the real money comes when someone downloads the app through your affiliate link. Every time someone downloads the app, you get €2, whether or not they make a purchase. That's where most of your income will come from. To promote a product, look for the best image you can find in the Temu app or website. A visually appealing image is crucial, so try to avoid ones that look too plain or low quality. But something like a colorful, high-quality shot would stand out much more on Pinterest. Once you find a product image you like, just right-click it if you're on desktop and click Save Image As to save it to your computer. From there, you'll be able to upload it to Pinterest. Once you've got the image saved, it's time to create a pin on Pinterest. You can upload the image to Pinterest and write an engaging description that makes it clear what the product is and how people can get it through your link. The key here is consistency and quality. Keep creating attractive pins and you'll start to see people engaging with them. Once you've saved your image from Temu, head over to Pinterest to create a pin. On Pinterest, and from here, simply drag in the image you just downloaded. Now, it's crucial to give your pin a title that people are actually searching for. For this particular product, foldable fabric storage boxes, you can search for terms like foldable fabric storage boxes. If you don't find any exact results for your search, try adjusting your search terms. You might also try adding terms like cover template, mock-up, or aesthetic. By searching these terms, you'll likely see products that are very similar to the one you're promoting. When you see pins that resemble your product, this is a sign that these keywords work and people are actively looking for items like yours. Pinterest already displays results from popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy, AliExpress, and Amazon, which means affiliate marketers are already using these keywords successfully. To set up your pin, copy a relevant keyword phrase from your search results, like vintage A5 notebook aesthetic, and paste it as the title of your pin. In the description, be sure to repeat this keyword and add some details to make your pin more compelling. For example, foldable fabric storage boxes of good fabric and long-lasting. Now, in the description, include the link to the Temu product. To find the link, simply go back to Temu and navigate to the product you want to promote. Once there, you can copy the URL or share it directly from the site. After this, click Share and you'll get a link to your pin. This link will help you track how your pin is performing and how many people are engaging with it. This method of affiliate marketing through Pinterest, especially with visually appealing items like notebooks, can be highly effective. Over time, as your pins gain traction and visibility, you'll see the potential to earn commissions from both product sales and app downloads through your affiliate links. Once you've copied the link to the Temu product, you can go back to Pinterest to complete your pin. It's up to you whether you want to include the full product description, but I recommend keeping it simple. Add a clean, clear description for the product, something that grabs attention, and don't forget to add emojis for extra appeal. A crucial step is to mention that your pin is an affiliate marketing pin. This helps with transparency and ensures you comply with Pinterest's guidelines. For the link section, paste the Temu product link directly into the pin. Then, choose a relevant board to save your pin to. You can also add 3 to 5 tags to help your pin get discovered in searches, to improve the chances of your pin being seen. Once you're done, click Create and then Publish. Over time, this pin will begin to rank for keywords like A5 notebook aesthetic, usually within 2 to 4 weeks, and start showing up higher in search results. As more people see your pin, you'll earn commissions when they make purchases through your link or download the app. You can repeat this process with other products on Temu. For example, the key to success here is consistency. Keep creating pins for products people are already searching for, using visually appealing images and clear, engaging descriptions. The more pins you create, the higher the chance that some of them will rank and lead to earnings. This strategy is all about putting in the effort over time, and with hundreds of pins, many of them will start ranking, leading to consistent affiliate income from your efforts on Pinterest. Once your pins start ranking, people will find the product and click on your pin. When they click, they'll be redirected to the Temu website or app. If they make a purchase, you'll earn a commission between 5 to 20%, depending on the product and the order. For payouts, Temu provides an easy way to get paid through PayPal. All you need is a PayPal account to receive your commissions. Once you've accumulated earnings, simply go to the affiliate dashboard, click on Withdraw, and you'll be able to transfer your earnings to PayPal. With this strategy, consistency is key. The more pins you create, the more likely they are to rank and bring in commissions. Just remember to label your pins as affiliate marketing pins to stay compliant, and if users make additional purchases within 30 days of signing up, you'll earn commissions on those as well. This method allows you to build passive income over time, especially as people continue to browse and purchase from your pins, even if they come back weeks later for other products. Keep at it, and you could see your earnings grow significantly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.